In front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this OPPO. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Chrome. Now access background apps. If you are using Trick's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Then click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. After that, just click on this tiny one, and as you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, just hold this line at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. You can also use your app overlay the other one by exiting the other one and operating in both. If you wish to make your window tiny, click on Home button. You can access it by tapping on it. In order to use this app in full screen view, click on the top left corner. If you wish to close it instead, just tap on this X icon at the top right one, or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!